Hi! In this video I will help you if you don't have any sound in Premiere Pro. I think you should try this. Go up to Edit and down to Preferences. Choose Audio Hardware. Here at Default Output, you should choose another option. As you can see, I have Not Working here. Maybe you have switched headphones or you don't use any headphones. Choose another option and press Yes. And that's it. Good luck!
Thank you for watching this video. If you get the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.